Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing the Titan Sandstorm variant. This is the variant that has the Black Knight camo in it and the Soul Eater reactive camo in it. Both of the matches are on firing range. Both of them are pretty good matches. I'm gonna let the audio from the match play out. Alright, let's do it. Let's get this over with.
You have your outboard, soldiers.
This is a beautiful looking gun. You like to shoot people with it? Oh, right in that window. I'm just gonna get this guy's tags quick.
We're winning this.
That took a while for me to shoot. Ooh, my gun's red now. Oh, that's quick. It's green now. Oh, I didn't even see him back there. Holy crap, he was far. I wasn't even using a sniper rifle. That kind of surprised me. Right through the door. And he got a double on us. That sucks. Go right through the middle. Oh, right out here. Oh, right here. Got him. Oh, come on. I was gonna get level with them so I can try to get a better angle. A little bit of a pre-fire there. Yeah, there are a few of them are there. Oh man, I hate that bullet. That kinda sucked. Oh, damn. Oh, wait. Ah, crap. I screwed up my best man. That was right on him. For some reason, I thought the hell someone was gonna get me even though I was indoors. How the hit detection is being really bad today. 7 and 7. I don't even know where he's coming from. I thought that was... Is that there or our Sandstorm? Free kill. Ooh, that guy ate that bullet. And then I ate the bullet. Where are they? Every time I get killed from that spot. Every time. What the hell is that? I'm just swapping out tags now. Holy crap. Oh, 300 points. Oh, double. Triple. Four.
UAV above, commencing surveillance operation. Care package on standby.
Pop in the package. You know what, I might not even have enough time to finish this match. I'm just gonna leave it. Freaking RCA. Ugh.
We're close. Make it official.
Still got him. But the tag was a guy. Oof. I'm just with my teammates in the Hellstorms. Holy crap. Are we back over here? Where are they? Oh, there's one back here. That makes sense. Oh, sorry, teammate. Freaking razor wire. Ooh, let's do this. 16-13, not too bad for TDM. Oh, no, not kill confirmed. You're seeing this a little late because I cut out the first bit because I just died, and then that was really all that happened. So then I'm gonna melt the audio play out for this now. What the hell? Whatever. Let's do this. I want to get a high kill game with this gun. I think this gun is like the reactive camo has like sharks on it. I think I probably like this better than the Mastercraft, the Black Knight. Crap! I should have hit him. Oh, headshot, one shot. Let's go. Oh, double. That's 4, 5. Oh, that's 5. Let's go. I put my UAV. Oh, 6. Freaking 9 bang. Always gets me. It's not like the concussions in Black Ops 3, but you could just lay down if you got hit with one. That was a trade-off. Oh yeah, I can see the little sharks moving by now. Pop in this package. It's a nice looking reactive camo. I thought it was kind of stupid when I first saw it. Really? I'll get this guy. Wait, I didn't get that guy? What the hell? That's garbage.
We've lost control. We're pulled ahead. We've lost the advantage.
Damn, this gun's amazing.
Hostile UAV circling.
I'm gonna bother destroying that. I'll let my teammate bother destroying that. This is the best place right here with Titan. Ooh, my sharks are blue now. And my sharks are dead now. Pretty cool. Oh. Did not see that one coming. I ate that bullet. Oh, it sucks. Oh, another one down. Oh my god. They always get me from that doorway. It's so obnoxious. Why are they camping in their own spawn? I'm supposed to be camping in their spawn.
UAV above.
If you guys didn't notice, the thing on the front is supposed to be like a shield because it's the Mastercraft is the Black Knight, like medieval themed.
Multiple hostile UAVs operating. We're behind.
I'm gonna go around him and He's there. That's great. You try to wallbang him. Now they're back in the window.
Enemy Hellstorm detected.
Yeah, I'll break this. And I even break it because I ran out of time. Gonna load this quick. That sucks. We pulled out a riot shield, so they pulled out a riot shield. The riot shields don't even completely protect you. Once in Morocco, I just shot the guy in the foot when he was facing me and killed him. It's really easy to kill them, but really hard at the same time. It's weird.
Enemy UAV above.
Right there. I'm gonna chuck a yellow now. I'll inspect it in a minute. I'll inspect it in a minute. Oh. Pretty nice.
Multiple hostile UAVs.
I tried like the YY thing that gets you out of it. Hit the Y once. Didn't work too well. That sucked. The dog's gonna go in and rip these guys apart. Hey, you wanna see my gun, buddy? Yeah. I have a cool gun, you don't. Where are they?
We have the
1,
advantage.
2. No, 3. That could have been a bloodthirsty right there, because there were 5 of them there. Hardcore, I think, is easier because if you're outnumbered, you could just shoot them all. It's like real quick. In core, you have to like hop around, crouch, back off, reload because it takes more bullets to kill. Takes more time to kill, so you get less kills. And hardcore, you just get more XP in general. Like, every medal you get, maybe you didn't know this, you get XP from it. So like if you get a one-shot kill, you get XP bonus from it. That's why hardcore gives you more XP. And another one down. Ooh. And these guys ran over here.
Victory's close. Reach out and take it.
That guy was a little late on his reaction. And my teammate shot me as soon as he got a gear package. Yeah, I'm not even gonna wait for it. I could wait for it. And it's another RCXD. And we won. I should not have waited for that. Alright. Like, subscribe, bye.